Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so ecstatic. I'm so excited to share this particular video with you. I am a big thrifter, but recently I've been getting real good deals, things that are far way below what I would normally pay for anything. And these are things that I'm actually going to be using in the videos upcoming. If you are a thrifter, then you've tuned in to the right channel. And if you're not a thrifter and you just want to get ideas and tips on ideas as far as, picking up things, you're still on the right channel. All right. So for those that are tuning in for the first time, I'd like to say welcome to each and every one of you. I hope you find something that will be able to motivate, inspire you. For those that are returning, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you to all my subscribers. On this channel, my goal is to motivate, inspire, and to encourage you to live your best life to the fullest. One of the ways is thrifting, because we save money. We can use our dollars, help our dollars to stretch. And we can use our dollars for other things that are kind of like more important than versus spending everything in one spot on things that you can get a lot cheaper. So we're going to go into things, and I just want to give you a couple points that works for me. I usually go shopping early morning. I am retired, so that's a benefit for me. But I've also gone in the afternoon, like at lunchtime. If I go evening, I try to go early evening, only because I like to avoid the crowds. So I find out usually when a store has been closed, the two places that I shop with are basically that's near me. I used to shop at Anvet's a lot, but I don't have one near me. Anvet's is good. Restore is Habitat for Humanity. Restore is good. Salvation Army is good. You'll find a small mom and pop thrift stores as well. And Goodwill, I don't have a Goodwill near me. And I'm one. When I go out of town, I'm Googling to try to find out if there's any of those places near me. Because you can pick up some very unusual finds at some of these stores. And in doing that, meaning that you'll get something that you won't find nowhere else. Very unique pieces. And that's what I like about it. You can find pieces that nobody else will be able to duplicate. And plus you can find things, that you can accentuate the things that you have already. Everything that I have here today is basically home decor, because that's what I was going out looking. I don't do a lot of clothing shopping there, but I usually do a lot of house decor, pictures, things for my tablescape, things for my walls, linen, and anything like that. I usually get a lot of that there. In my home, my whole home basically majority has been thrifted. And looking at it, you wouldn't even know. So I'm going to walk you through another thing too. If you go to the Salvation Army, they have special days. For the whole week, they may have you walk in, there's a sign that says yellow, white, and green. So let's say if it's yellow and white, everything that's yellow and white, from clothing to home decor, is half off. And then the green, everything that has a green sticker on it, is 99 cents. So that goes from Monday through Saturday, because they're not open on a Sunday. But what I find out, if you go early Monday morning, or find out from the clerk or the cashier when they basically do a lot of their restocking, that's the days that you're going to get the best deals. But every time I walk in there, I very seldom walk out empty-handed. So I just want to share those tips with you. With Anvet's, there's not Anvet's, but Habitat for Humanity Restore. Certain restores, because I've gone through quite a few of them, carry a lot of building type supplies and stuff like that. Other ones will carry a lot of home decor. So just find out the ones after you visit, you kind of get a feel of what they carry. Some carry a lot of furniture. Some carry like tiles and stuff, like mostly things like that. So you kind of find out basically what you're looking for, what restore to go to. All right. So at this time, without further ado, we are going to get started. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel if this is things that you like on this content. And also, please feel free to give me a thumbs up after you watch this. Let me know what you think about it. And share. I appreciate that. And we're going to get started now. The first thing is this gorgeous vase. This is excellent for a tablescape, which is what I'm going to be using it for. And I don't know if the price will show up here. I got that. It says $4.99. And this particular day, the pink was on sale for half off. So I got this beautiful vase for $2.50. And I don't know if you can see the detail in all of this here. It has like, I don't know, like a glazing on top with a specific design in it. But anyway, I just love, love, love this. And I can't wait actually to do a tablescape with that, because I'm getting things together for another tablescape. Another thing I got was this here. This is really originally $1.99. I got it half off, so I got it for $1. And what I'm going to do basically is use it for a tablescape. And in doing that, you know, put wording on here or something, print it from the computer, or either you can use stickers. But I'm going to use this basically, Mother's Day is over with, but you know, I want to do a tea party coming up, and welcome to the tea party or whatever. You can put anything on here. And this is like that rose glass. So for $1, this is a good buy. Another thing I got was these floating candles. And see, all of this is matched with my decor. These floating candles, and I can see that they originally came from Michael's. And this was basically, got this, some things I still have prices on, and other things I've taken them off already. These are Floral Tea Lights, and I got this for $1.50 at a Habitat Restore. Brand new. Placemats, placemats, placemats. These are all 4. And I like this pattern because it just goes with a floral pattern. It goes good with, you can tie in green or anything. So this is great for the summer, for the spring. And these here were $3.99, and I got 4. They are lined. And this is going for a tablescape too. So I got 4 of these. This is what they had, and this is, I bought the whole set, like I usually do. Another thing, this lantern here. This lantern, this was, I don't know where it was originally from, but you can put candles in here, not just a candle. I would basically probably wouldn't put a live candle, but you can because it does have the vent holes in top. But if you don't want to use it for a light, you know, I would probably use the flameless candle in here. If not, you can make an excellent centerpiece with floral arrangement for a centerpiece on the table. So you can really do a lot with this. Valentine's Day, just spring, summer. So this right here was $2. And it's like brand new. These LED candles, I can see they're mainstays, so I can see they were purchased at Walmart. I got these for $2. I did look them up, and I got this from Habitat Restore. I did look them up, and I think they run $7.48. And you're supposed to get 12, but there's 9 in here. But the difference in price, I'll pay $2 for 9 in a minute. So these are good for tablescapes as well. Centerpieces, you know, along the table runner, that would be excellent for. Of course, that's what I'm going to be using it for, at least for now. Excellent buys. This here is a table runner. I didn't particularly like the inside of it, and I asked my husband about it, and it's really, really long. Let's see if I could, this is where it starts. So, of course, this will have to be used for my dining room table. So I didn't particularly like the red. It's like a, but I like the natural color. This is reversible. And I got this for $1.99. So, of course, I brought it home. I don't have the price tag on it because when I bring things home, the minute they come in the house, if it's cloth, it's going in the wash machine, tags off. Because of the virus and everything, I do not take chances. Everything is usually disinfected the minute I walk in the house using Lysol wipes. If I don't use the wipes, I'm using Lysol spray. But as far as clothing or cloth or anything like that, it gets turned, thrown into the wash machine, and I let it stay there until I wash a load of clothes. Not just one table runner, but I got two. This was $1.99 as well. It's just as long as the other one. And I want to do a lemon tablescape, you know, with some greenery on it. And I thought this would be excellent. And see how long this is? Very, very, very long. It's still going, but I have a long dining room table. So even if it hangs over the end, that's good. And the outside of it is white. And I like it because it's just like the other one. It's quilted, washable, easy to clean, nothing with high maintenance. And you can use this with a tablecloth or without. I tend to like my table runners without a tablecloth. If there's cloth, I don't put cloth on top of cloth. But you know, you just kind of feel it and see what works for you. Okay, the next thing, I got these storage bins, and they're Sterlite. Yeah, see if I can show you exactly. It almost brand new. Got 3 of them. They were $1 a piece. So all 3 were $1. This is going to help with my decluttering organizational videos that I'm going to be doing. This comes completely out. So I saved so much money with this. $1 a piece, and they're stackable. So in the event I want to stack them, they kind of lock in place and they stack. Well, the top isn't on right, but yeah, here we go. And they're all stackable. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. Don't you just love this picture? And I want to show you the price first of all. We can show. It was $1. Can you believe that? I'm going to use this as a centerpiece as I'm going to be doing a tea party setup. And this is almost like that depression glass. I believe so. And if it is, and I know it's worth a lot of money, it doesn't have a name. Well, the tag is over the name. But I can't wait to use this. And this pairs so good with this. And also the floating candles. You know, so it's going to turn out really nice. I'm looking forward to using this. So I got this. I can tell by the tag. I got this at Restore. Habitat Restore. I was just there a few days ago, actually. Look at this. This is like a hard plastic. Beautiful topiary. And I didn't get one, but I got 2. They're great for your dining room table. I'm going to use it basically. I have a bookcase area in our master bedroom, and this just fits here good. But it can fit on a mantle. It can fit on the floor, by the fireplace. It can just go so many places. And the price on this was $1. There's no cracks or nothing in it. And look how realistic the branches look. $1. So I got 2. They actually had 3, but I only walked away with 2. I didn't want to be greedy, and I didn't know where I would do 3. And then as soon as I laid the other one down, someone picked it up right away. The next thing, I got some pink tablecloth. You see this price? It was $1.99. Of course, this is good for the summertime. Wait a minute. Get this opened up here. Got staples in it. This came from Salvation Army. They usually use staples and big tags like this. And nothing's wrong with it. No holes, no stains, no nothing. So this will stand alone, but it would also look good. I don't know if you've seen tablescapes where you have 2 tablecloths, one crisscross the other. This will look beautiful on that. I don't know how big this is. It's square, but I got it folded in quarters, and it's still huge. So it may be able to stretch over across the top of my dining room table, but if not, it'll fit perfect on the kitchen table, or even like a nice dinner outside, or a nice quiet tea type thing on the outside. That would go good too. Valentine's Day would go good. Mother's Day would go good. You just do a lot with it. And I not only got that one, I also got a white one. And I believe, let me see where I got this one from. $2. This came from, see if you can see the price. This came from Habitat Restore for $2. Well, this is my haul. I'm just so excited because these deals were just so terrific. And I tallied it up, and I believe everything ended up costing me anywhere between $26 to $28 for everything. And I got some marvelous deals, as you see. Even with this, you know, if you go to price at the Topper areas, you're going to spend about $22 to $24 just for one. And I got all of this stuff. So that's why I was so excited about showing you, because I want to encourage you. Living your best life to the fullest is saving your dollars and not necessarily wasting it and buying things that you really don't have to purchase full price. But you can, you know, kind of look around. And another thing about it, as you're looking around, you'll find unique things that you wouldn't find in a regular store. I just want to take this time to thank you all for tuning into my channel, for taking out your precious time to view this channel. And I also want to encourage you to check out your local thrift stores. You would be surprised how much money you would save. Living your best life to the fullest, it means that you basically able to save and use those dollars, you know, your precious dollars that you work for, or that you've earned, toward other things versus spending everything full price. I am a thrifty shopper, always have been. And I want you to leave it in the comment section below. If you're like me too, do you kind of wait till things go on sale, or you're an impulse buyer where you see things you just, you know, have to have it at that moment? So let me know in the comment section below if you are a thrifter as well. And I would like to hear your comments and things like that. And if you buy for the now, I usually buy for things that I know I'm going to be using, because I have so much stuff now that I buy basically what I'm going to, I have a vision already knowing what I'm going to use it for. So thank you again for tuning in. I hope you got some tips, something that will be able to help you and encourage you to go out. Just try it. Just try it. You're not going to get everything all at one time. I usually go once a week. And in doing that, you know, I pick up little items and I go when it's convenient for me. So at this time, I want to say thank you again. If you have not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. And also hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. And while you're at it, give me a big thumbs up if you got something out of this video, or if you like this video. Feel free to leave a comment and feel free to share. God bless you all, and happy thrifting. Bye-bye.